play, the most you can play is 10 credits, and then you get every feature on the board except for the corners and what was that, all scores double, and that comes off of these, and the super lines also. It comes off of these rollovers here. The all scores double is with the magic number, right? So if you get, say if she gets a 7 or a 25, then all scores double will light up. Let's see. We'll put in 7 here. 7's a hard one to get. See, now it's all scores double. And then this is also a cool feature, Sirmo top number. I was trying to figure out what is that, because it would light up after the second ball. And what is, you get the C button, and watch when I hit it. See how it went out? Okay, and then all of a sudden it will think for a little while, and then it'll light up one of the numbers. See, now it lit up 21. It's telling you to shoot for 21, I think. Because look here, she's got a 1, a 7, and a 21. So that'd be like the best number you could hit to get the most points or replays. So, oh, okay, I was going to throw to number 21. Throw to number 21. Boom. Okay, now we'll hit that number thing again, and let's see. Okay, actually you can cash in right now when she's got the 4 balls on there. She hasn't shot her 5th ball yet, but if you hit that number or the C button, it will let you, she has a winner here, so you can cash that in, and then you can keep on playing. She hit the double or nothing button. Guess what she got?
Nothing.
Nothing. Shoot her 5th ball, and it's blinking 17. It wants you to try to get 17. So we hit 17. What do you get for 17? Which card? Well, go ahead and hit that. I think it will cash you out when you hit that. That won't. Okay. She hit on this card here. Okay, she hit 3 diagonally right here on this card. And it's in the red. So I think you get double or something, don't you? Plus you got the magic number too. So yeah, see how many. So hit the regular one time. You can hit double or nothing. You got nothing. Okay, this is it. You got another winner on this card. Which one did you hit that time?
Double.
Double? And you got another winner on your 5th card.
Nothing.
And you got nothing. I'm surprised you do that. I would just go with the regular cash in.
Right.
So how many credits did you get for that one? Card number 3.
I don't know.
Okay. I was wanting to see how many you got on this one.
This one was the one.
That would have been nice to hit the regular just to see, because it's on the red line. And I think when you get it on the red line, you get more, you get double or something. I'm not sure. Anyway, it might be on this card over here. It tells you about what the red lines. The 7th credit gives you red diagonals.